government of Nasarawa State, woman leader, youth leader, distinguished friends, ladies and gentlemen. Nasarawa State, as was said, that history will repeat itself. That is why the NNPP was not so weak in presenting Abdullah Medoya as our gubernatorial candidate, irrespective of the fact that APC in government is still serving. But we were not weak in the mind or weak in our sense of belonging. That is why we presented Abdullah Medoya. If you look at the scenario, the calculation of what we did to salvage Nasarawa from the shambles of the APC government is that we brought Abdullah Medoya from Lafia Zone. And everybody knows Lafia Zone has the largest court in Nasarawa State. We went further to also bring our deputy governor from Nasarawa Zone, Everybody knows Kefi Zone 2 has the second largest court in Nasarawa State. So the calculation remains for you, the people of Nasarawa State, to do the calculation very well. Anybody from the other political parties, be it APC, PDP, if you want to join us, our doors are open. You are welcome to NNPP, because this is the moving trend, the trend that will galvanize Nasarawa State, the trend that will bulldoze the government house, and we shall remove the APC government, inshallah. Having said so, I want to employ all our members of our NNPP party in all nook and crannies of Nasarawa State. Please and please go out in march and campaign for this party. Make sure you talk to the next neighbor that is closer to you, talk to him about Abdullah Medoya, the youngest young governor, inshallah, to be produced in Nigeria. We need that young age, we need his vibrancy, we need his sense of belonging, we need his depth of experience that he is going to bring for us to serve Nasarawa State. Wallahi jama'a, tun da aka kreatin Nasarawa, idan maganar da zan faɗa zan ma wani su laifi a yakuri, amma maganar gaskiya ne, ni abin da tun da aka kreatin Nasarawa, ba mu samu kona da ya fitar da mu daga cikin matsala na talauci, matsala na rashin aikin yi, matsaloli na harkar noma, muna da filin noma.
Today, the gubernatorial candidate for NNPP, His Excellency Honorable Abdullah Medoya, has been sworn in. How do you feel?
Like I just said in my short speech, I feel elated and honored. Like I said, history has been made today in my family, to myself, and the entire Badi race. Because it's the first time a party of this nature that is considered a Badi person to the office of a deputy governor. Since the time we are in Plateau State, Plateau State International, no party has ever considered that pick a Badi person as a running mate. So I feel elated and I feel like, yes, this is a very good history that has been made today. So I'm very happy about it. To myself, to my family, and to Badi people. The honor done on us by this party and to by His Excellency Alhaji Abdullah Medoya.
With your choice as a running mate, what will the party expect?
If you look at my profile, the citation the man read, I'm not trying to boast up. I'm proud of myself. I'm a grassroots politician. Being elected to the Assembly 2 times. So if I'm not a grassroots man, I can't imagine how I'll be elected for 2 times to come to the Assembly. So I'm the man of the people, and I know with this experience that I've acquired, I'll bring to bear even to leadership. I've acquired some other leadership training while in the State Assembly, just like my CV started out there. So I have experience that can lay bear, so I can move together to create a very good next in the state.
Okay, sir, what will be your call to your members?
Sorry?
What will be your call? The entire members of the party.
My call to the party member is that they should be resolute, hardworking, and mobilize our supporters across the state. first and foremost, to go and make sure that everybody gets his voters card. And that's the only instrument they can use to elect anybody I want. That you believe in. Without your voters card, you can't go anywhere. So I'm calling on my members, the party, and the Justice of Nasarawa to go and register and get their PVCs and get ready to vote come 2023.
Finally, sir, with this position today, and if God wills that your party becomes successful, do you see yourself becoming the governor of the state one day?
Just like this one happened, it's by God. It's not by me. I didn't apply for it. God just is providence that God brought me. So if God made it so that one day I'll be governor of this state, so be it. If I'm alive, fine.